Yeah, hello, good morning, everybody. I'm going to talk a little bit on one or two things. This video is going to be a little bit longer. Mm, yeah, I talked about so many things, but I want the government to know one thing. I watch Professor Lumumba statement, and what I noticed is that the man is saying the truth. He talked about so many things. Every finger point on Nigeria. If Nigeria is successful, Africa is successful. I bet you. And the only way Africa can grow is to steal technology. This has been the usual thing from the beginning to today. Those days, early 70s, they talk about Japan, Germany, German this, German that, German product. Then the Japanese stole technology from Japan. The Japanese stole technology from Germany, sorry. Why the same thing America was stealing technology, but Japanese was faster and smarter. Then we now went to Japanese product. Early late 70s, 80s, it was Japanese. Then we went furthermore after mid 80s to 90s to some certain stage in the 20s. We are talking about American product. American product, American this. Now we are talking about China. China stole technology from all of them. There's no way you can do it. It's all about stealing technology. If you heard just of recent, the 52 bomber America is having, China stole, somebody revealed technology to China and they produced something like that. It's all about stealing technology. The best brain in Africa's, I'm not saying Nigeria is the best brain, but most of the best brains, we have it. Either in technology, in medical, in engineering, in law, in this, in that. It's all in Nigeria. In sport, in music, it's Nigeria. The population in Africa, Nigeria has the best. Has the highest population. For the African country to grow, we have to steal technology. And I bet you this thing is moving round the clock. I told you it's from Germany to Japan, Japan to America, America back to China. And it has a specific year this have to use in each continent. It's coming back to Africa. The stealing of technology is coming back to Africa. Before Africa, Nigeria, which I know better, used to be a produce country, cocoa, peanut butter, and some other things. Immediately petroleum came in, then they now find so many things in Africa, gold, diamond in Africa. They now turn the African country to exploitation. They exploit Africa. They exploit everything in Africa. They make our leaders redundant. They give them money so that they can turn them against their people. Now, if you have to grow, you have to steal technology. Nigeria, you don't make Africa a dump country where you call investor to come and invest, and if it's not profitable for them, they pack their loads and go. Dunlop, Michelin, for example, they gone. They gone. Now, somebody was talking, one of the millionaires, which is well known, is talking about investing money in power and everything. Ask them, the shaft in the pump, the shaft in the turbines, the mechanical seal, the blades in the turbines, the mechanical seal, the shaft, the everything. If they get bad, where they get it from? I'm an engineer and I know what I'm talking about. I had training in so many places, in so many countries, so many big companies. I know what I'm talking about. Where they get it from? They get it from overseas. Mechanical seal is as the cheapest one maybe you can say, or mechanical seal, you are talking about over $500,000. It's not produced in Nigeria. The blades Each blade in turbines, you are talking over $20,000 to $30,000. Each blade, each tiny blade, a tiny blade, $30,000. And when people come in and invest, they are going to invest in something like that, and the money still goes out. And somebody is saying he went to Kuwait, talking they bring in 300 billion. They are turning Nigeria. These are the investor. The return on investment. That's what they will be talking about. They will come and invest. If it's not profitable, they want to turn your country to a consuming nation, not a manufacturing nation, not a producing nation. And Professor Lumumba said, unless Africa become a manufacturing country, and the whole finger is pointing at Nigeria. And I know the president is not your fault. This has been something that has been long. But you can start from somewhere. With the able bodies of all these bodies, Nigeria side of engineer, Ajakuta still need to be revived. And you don't cause foreigner to come and develop something. They won't give you the best of the best. You have to come in with your own engineers and let them develop the Ajakuta steel. Let's go on board and design and develop, because there are some courses the Nigeria sort of engineer need to do so that it will be profitable for all others. Like all these artisans, go to all of them have their own handwork agents. The engineers are there, but all these people that do the handwork, that do the main jobs, they are there. Any oil company, the people that do the offshore weddings, are they engineers? Are they the ones that go under the ground and do the offshore wedding? No. All these people around you, all these artisans, all these welders, fabricators, and all this, you call them, you give them course in their own language. Because most Chinese that came to build the railway station, if anything spoil in the railway station, they still go back there. Dangote refinery, they will still go and call all these people to come and fix it. They buy the parts from abroad. Yes. Egbe power stations and all the rest, all the parts they install there, they will still buy it from abroad. Why can't we produce it here? Now they want to come and invest. People are investing in estates. People are investing in where is the manufacturing job? Where is the job? Narrative, people have to change everything about that country. We need to come on board. People need to come on board and do something. Power shift all the time, and it's going to spend numbers of years in Japan in China before the power can shift. Maybe probably 10 to 20, 30 years. The power will move away from there. Then Africa need to get ready, not them to come and extract all your resources and take it to their own country and build their own country and bring it back the produce. They come to Africa, they take cocoa, take it there and make Milo chocolates and everything, bring back to the Africa and sell. Why? We need to sit down and fashion this thing out. Nigeria sort of engineer and all the bodies that is involved need to come on board. I believe I have so many things we need to talk about, but I just want to make this video. I don't want it to be too long so that, the main facts, those are the things I'm talking about. Investing in power, investing in this. No. Invest in the rating that will do the manufacturing something. Like the Ajakuta steel, we need it. Aluminium, we need it. There's so many things we need to do, but mainly first the Ajakuta steel. Russia won't give you the best. China won't give you the best because they will open their whole market. They want to open their whole market in Africa. I just saw somebody advertising a whole market in Lagos that you don't need to go to China and bring it. All this plastic, all this petrol, crude oil byproducts, all these plastics and everything. Can you imagine? And we have Element Petrochemical, Element Petrochemical, where they produce all this polyethylene and all these things. We have in Warri, we have in Kaduna. I talked about refinery. I knew it's going to pack up. I talked about security, but they don't take it easy. They don't take it with me. I've been there and done it. I know what I'm talking about. I pray the present government, I pray you listen to this. I pray this thing goes viral and people get to know what we are talking about. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.